Welcome to Bama Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Python programming language, and we're going to talk about replacement, word replacement in Python. So remember when we were doing string, we talked about replace. Replace is a string method that you use in Python. We also talk about input, but here's a question now. How can we use both input and replace in Python programming language? So we're going to develop a project, and that project will help us how we can use both replace and input together. So for example, I can come here, uh, I can come to my project browser and I can create my Python file. So it will be replace dot py enter. So let's take for example somebody write a sentence and you want to replace a particular word within that sentence. Python make it easy for you by using the word replace. So let's come for example, for us to understand, I'll declare a variable here and I'll call it text. And I will say this time I will say I like to eat fruit. Yeah, so I'll say I like to eat. So I'll say I like to eat fruit. Then I enter. Then if I say I like to eat fruit, I will declare another new variable x. And in this, I will say text dot replace and I put my so parentheses. So I put my parentheses there. And in here now I can see the word I want to replace. So which is fruits. So just how I spell it. So I come here, put my and also want to replace it with apple. So I can come here now, put my print function and print the variable x. Save this. So you will see instead of you saying I like to eat fruit, now you will see I like to eat apple. So look here now. If I run this, so let me run this so you can see. So I can come here like this. I say run Python file. Okay, so you see I like to eat apple. So this fruit have been replaced with apple. Now, what we want for the user now to input their own sentence, what we want for them to put their own sentence, and they can be able to change a word within that sentence or replace a word within that sentence with another word. So we're going to use input. So let's comment this up. So we can come here like this, and we can comment this. Yeah, comment this. So we can come here like this, and we can just write a little. Yeah. So let's just write a little comment. So I can come here, shift forward slash. Okay. So shift or control forward slash can also help us to comment our code. So now we want to declare a sentence or variable, and we'll call that variable sentence. Yeah, so we'll call that variable sentence, and we want input. So the input now we want is enter your sentence, enter your sentence, enter your sentence. So that enter. So we want to print what I will say your sentence is. So we're going to use the print function that is concatenation now. For single quote, I'll say your sentence is, yep, the sentence is plus the variable will declare sentence. Okay, so we can save this. So for example, we save that we can run this so you can see. So we can come here. So just wait. Okay, almost there. So they say enter your sentence. So I can come here and say welcome to Python. So welcome to Python class. So enter, you see your sentence is welcome to Python class. So this is it. Now we want now for the user now to, since they already finished learning how they can be able to input their sentence, but what if we want for them to edit their sentence? So we need to declare two variables. So the first one is word to be replaced and word replacement. So I will come here and say word replace. So word replace. So the word to replace. So they need to identify it. So now put input. So we input that word and come here. So enter your word to be replaced. So you have to enter your word to be replaced. So or we can say enter word to replace. So let's just take this. Let's take this one there and say enter the word to replace. Yeah. Okay. So let's say enter the word to replace. So enter the word to replace. Then the replacement now. So we declare another variable and call it replacement. So the next one is input, and we'll say enter the word to be replaced with. Yeah, enter the word to be replaced with. Enter the word to be replaced with. Yeah. So now we can use the print function. So we say print and say print, don't say sentence dot, sorry, be inside in the parameter dot replace well parenthesis. So word replace, and also have word replacement. Okay. So now when we are done, we can save this and run it. So come here, we'll run this. Okay, so they say we should enter. So I'll say welcome to our JavaScript class. So they say the sentence is welcome to our JavaScript class. So enter the word to replace. So the word I want to replace is JavaScript. Yeah, this is not JavaScript. So maybe you type in. So put JavaScript here. They say enter the word to replace with. So which one I want to replace it with? Python. Welcome to our Python class. So you see, so JavaScript have been replaced with the word Python. Let's do another more example again. So let's do another more example. So just reading. Okay. So say enter the sentence. So we will say coding. Coding is our goal. So let's say coding is our goal. Okay. So that better sentence I would say love code. I love to code. That's it. Yes, I love to code with JavaScript. Okay, that just is Java. I love to code with Java. And I love this your sentence. I love to code with Java, but I want to replace this Java now with Python. Or let's look for different programming language. Let's say we want to replace Java now with React.js. So replace Java with what? React.js. You see, I love to code with React.js. So thank you for watching. This is Poema Tutorial. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel.